Welcome to this session on Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a drop-down list and search that list. So on the screen, I have a very short list which I want to use as my drop-down list and also search that list. And in cell C1, I am going to create that drop-down list. So to do it, you go to the Data tab and Data Validation. When you come into data validation, you've got some options, so select from a range, list of items, all these sort of things. I'm going to leave it on that one and then click on this little symbol which will collapse this box down and allow me to select the range that I want. And I'm going to go a bit further down. I'll go down to row 12 because there's quite a cool little feature here. Even though there's no information there, it will still show wherever it sees information. Click OK to that and then save this data validation, and then if I drop the list down, you can see it just shows you this list. But if I come down here and type something else, publisher for example, so there's a gap there, but when I drop the list down there is no gap, it still picks it up, so it's not actually including these blank cells. And also, if this was a bigger list, finding what you're looking for, I would have to scroll down in Excel, unless you don't Excel online, and the new versions of Excel are going to be able to do this as well, but at the moment it doesn't. I can just click into this list, I'm not dropping it down, and just start typing. So I've typed the letter A and there's access coming up, so I can click on that. If I type the letter P, the two options with P come up and I can click on whichever one I want, and if I type E, Excel will come up. So this is a searchable drop down list, which is really cool. So that's all I want to talk about in this little short session. Thank you for your time and I'll see you in the next one.